We work very hard to satisfy everyone, and our business thrives on the happiness of others. So when someone writes to tell us we did a great job, we love to show our appreciation by sharing their review. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every individual to ensure we meet their expectations. Complete satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. So why wait? Contact us at the number on your screen today and find out for yourself what everyone's raving about.